Are you kidding me? Did we just walk around in a circle again? What's going on, everyone? It is I, the Will to Thrive, once more, and here today I got my buddy Danny.
Hey, how's it going, YouTubers?
Yeah, we are here doing a nature trail at the Chippewa Nature Center, and I gotta say, it is freaking freezing out here, and I cannot wait to see all the great sights that we'll be walking by today. It comes to times like this that I wish I had a drone.
I have 2 drones.
The fuck, Danny? Why didn't you bring them?
Well, I don't know if they're capable of like holding a phone or anything like that.
Dang, man. Should have said something. We could have. Oh.
So one of them I've never even tried using yet. It's still brand new.
What gen was that?
I don't know. I just got it a couple years ago.
Man.
Heavyweight fight yesterday.
Oh, between who?
Francis Ngannou and Cyril Gane.
Can't believe I missed it. Who won?
Francis again. I think he's retiring after this fight undefeated.
Now, how old is he?
35.
Oh, I mean, that's all right. I mean, they say he probably reached the end of his prime. I mean,
well, he wants to go into like boxing after this. But I think Dana White wants him to continue like working for UFC, but he doesn't want to.
UFC? I think he'd be all right. He doesn't want to, you say?
No, because he says that UFC doesn't pay their fighters as much as they should, and he thinks he can make more money in boxing.
That is so true, man. Wait, now I'm so confused.
I could have swore we went there.
Did we just go in a circle? Dude.
I guess so.
No way. That wasn't the whole trip.
There's no way. It didn't feel like 0.7 of a mile.
That didn't even feel like a mile.
Huh. I feel like we just stepped in a time warp dimension or something.
Yeah, that's how I felt.
Dude, you should get into playing Pokemon Go.
I haven't played Pokemon Go in 3 years. Or 2, whichever one. Tell me, what team were you?
I'm Team Valor, the red team.
Okay, yeah, same here. You know, I don't know, man. There's just something about being red, you know, like fire and blood, and that gives you a good rush. I'm sorry, man. I didn't mean to go that far with it.
No, I get it.
Can you only imagine living in this thing, man, back in the day?
It's all true, but
it is real. Oh, let's get in here.
I bet it gets pretty warm in here, though, when you light a fire.
Do you see that, guys? Yep, that's where the smoke would come out from.
That'd be pretty crazy to live like this. Have you seen that movie Shang-Chi by Marvel?
No, I didn't think it looked good.
Dude, I thought the same thing at first, but then when I watched it, I thought it was a pretty badass movie.
Yeah? Will you give it like a 9 out of 10 or something? I mean, what's the story even about, really? I don't even know the character.
It's about a legend of the 10 rings. This guy, he gets a hold of the 10 rings somehow, and it gives him like godlike power. And he uses it for a bunch of evil. He gets like really rich and stuff, and then falls in love with this one Asian lady and gives up all the evil for her. And her town captures her because to repay back all the evils that he did. And throughout the movie, he tries to like release her or get her out of or whatever captivity. Pretty cool, pretty good movie. I give it probably like a 8.5 out of 10.
What do we got here?
We are here on the river trail.
All right, so yeah, we're right here, and my car is all the way here. All right, if we go right, it'll take us all the way through here. The wood duck trail.
I think if we go right, it would take us along the blue trail. Because we just came from the red one here.
All right, let's look at... Oh, okay, so they're all colored. So red, green, and blue. Over here, red, green, or blue.
Sugar bush trail.
So that way.
Sugar bush trail. I thought we just came from there.
We have to keep going Sugar Bush Trail. Because that's we're not going Peeper's Pond. That just takes us right over there. And we're not allowed in there right now.
Oh, the deer.
Oh, you guys see that? 2 of them.
Get him on camera. There's 3 of
I
them.
got it. There's 3 of them. Where's the 3rd one? Oh, there is.
Huh. Wow. Didn't think we'd see that today.
Yeah, let's get closer if we can. Hey! Hey, what's up, deer? Where y'all going? Come back. We got some venison for you. Hey, guys. Come on back. Oh, dude. There's 6 deer. Dude, that is pretty cool. I haven't seen this in a while.
Way more.
Dude, there's more.
Holy crap.
Dude, there's like 12. Y'all see this?
There they are.
Look at them. Look at their little bushy tails. Let's keep
Don't mind us.
Yeah, don't mind us, guys. We're just gonna put you on camera for everyone can see. Oh, no, they're shy. Look at them go.
We startled them.
That was awesome, dude. gotta go right. We gotta stay away from all the way over there.
That's the field trail.
Yep, we gotta go down the path, the river trail that'll take us, because the field trail will take us all the way back. We gotta go this way. Oh, Danny, look. Some good news, man. It feels like we've been traveling out here for hours. Oh, jeez. Okay, so last time we saw a sign, we were right here. And now we are all the way down here.
We came a long way.
So if we keep following River Trail, we'll end up back at the parking lot. Do you want to take Wood Duck Trail? Or, well, what do you think? This way, all the way back to the car, or this way, back to the car?
Is this one here Wood Duck Trail?
Do we see? Okay, we have to make a guess here. I don't see another sign that'll tell us which way is what.
Look, that post has a blue sign too.
So this is the right way. Then where's the post for here? Yeah, well, I mean, we just came from that way, but I don't see another post that told us what patch it was, like what color. All right, I guess this is the way. This way is.
Yeah, I think this is the river trail. You got Indian in you?
I do. I am Cherokee, I am Blackfoot, and I am... Grandpa, what did you say? I can't remember the third one. That tells me I'm a bad Indian.
You call yourself a descendant?
That's what I'm a bad descendant. All right. This is the only post that we can find.
Yeah, we just came from the field trail.
Path to the field. That way. River trail. That way.
Well, I think the river trail ends up leading to the parking lot.
That's what it showed, a big sign. They really should put big signs everywhere around here, not this.
Well, we got 1.6 miles to go until then.
So, hey, man, whatever happened to that, the FedEx job, you were doing?
I had to leave for this pipe fitter apprentice program.
What, you put in your 2 weeks?
Yeah.
See, man, that's what I'm saying, dude. It's, if I may, you're thriving to a whole nother challenge, man. I'm at progress. Let me tell you, that's good stuff right there.
Definitely on to bigger, better things, man.
Exactly. Then that's how we're supposed to look towards our future. It did say 1.4, right?
1.6.
Oh, okay. Well, that's not bad. That's that building before, right?
Yeah, Yeah, I think that's the observatory thing talking about.
I don't know if any of you guys can see what we're looking at because it just got, I mean, it's gotten dark out. I don't know if you guys can see what we see, but...
Yeah, remember that's the Beaver Pond or whatever it's called? The Pepper Pond or whatever.
Pepper Pond.
Yeah, I think that's the same deck that I was jumping up and down on.
Are you kidding me?
Yes.
Did we just walk around in a circle again? Are you kidding me?
We ran across that sign already.
Dude, are you kidding me? Dude, I was talking about eating chicken wings and all. Okay, we gotta calm down.
I don't know, man. This sign is confusing me.
This is confusing. We were.
I swear we were here already.
We were. You were right. Dude, we walked that way. How did we were avoiding the field trail? How did we? Remember that talk I said about the Chippewa being haunted? What if this is the shit I'm talking about here? Holy.
Yeah.
There's a light over there, but I'm not gonna.
This is the Peeper Pond then. This right here.
Okay, listen. Yeah, we came from. Okay, a long time ago, we came from that way, right? We had to, or we went that way. We're not going that way again. Fuck that.
It's the Chippewas. They put a curse on us.
Yeah, I can't believe this, dude. This is an adventure.
I didn't think the walk was gonna take us that long.
I didn't think the walk was gonna do this to us. We got fooled, bamboozled, Danny.
Yeah,
Bamboozled. I said bamboozled. Bamboozled. We got to get back on that main trail, Danny.
yeah, before it starts getting too dark.
Too dark, and we're in an area we have no idea about. We've never been here before, Danny. Okay, all right, here's the main trail, I think.
Birdseed?
I think. Okay, what is...
Sugar Bush Trail. That's where
Nature
we started.
study building. Fuck.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure we started at the Sugar Bush Trail.
No, I think we're right here. Do you have a light on you? I'm using this right now. I don't want to take this out. I mean, I should because I'm a dick. I'm letting you use up your battery. What? We're right there?
What the heck?
What are we doing, man?
We're never gonna get out of here.
We're gonna get out of here.
We just gotta follow.
Fuck, where's the river? I'm confused. Okay, so wait. There, the parking lot.
So we just came from this way then?
We were just right there. And we went all the way. How did that happen? Where did we?
We gotta probably go that way, I'm thinking. To lead to back to the river trail.
Let's try to find the river. We have to know where the river's at. That way we can go down the river. We gotta follow the river.
On our way to BW we go. We'll be there soon, guys.
We'll be there, don't worry, guys. We're not lost. We're professionals. Oh, seriously, Danny, this is starting to creep me the fuck out. Dude, I have a feeling I do have a ticket on my windshield.
I wonder how long you're allowed to park there for.
I don't know, but it said it closed at 4:30, so... Oh, dude. I wasn't expecting any of this to happen. Another sign, guys. Are we finally gonna get out of here? All right, Danny. We're at a good spot, right?
Yeah, we gotta make it to here, and we are now here.
We gotta follow the river. We gotta take... Wait, there's an obstacle right there.
That's Sugar House.
Sugar House.
Is that thing?
I think so. Well, I don't know, man. I don't want to go inside for content. I mean, should we go in there for content? No.
Yeah, I doubt there's any place in there.
Well, except for our phones.
They probably let it lock or something.
Probably. Dude, that is so creepy. At nighttime it is.
What if something just came out here and started chasing us?
Dude, don't think like that, man. I can't. Wait, hear that?
Someone following us? This time we're not breaking boards, we're breaking bones.
We're breaking bones. You hear that too?
Coyote?
No. Man, put on your light or something.
Who goes there?
Anybody there?
Show yourself. We're just paranoid, man.
I think that's what we are. I think it's best to turn off the light because we don't want to give away our location. Almost there. Dude, how did we get lost though? That is my question. I thought we knew what we were doing.
0.2 miles to the parking lot.
Good, thank God. That's the one lap around the track. Oh, jeez. Dude, I can't believe that walk.
What an adventure, man.
Oh, what an adventure. We're finally here back at the car. Oh, man. Okay, so guys, thank you all for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And also hit that bell for the notification for the next video. And as always, guys, until next time, later.